This video will show you how to restart a funded challenge on Foxify. First, go to foxify.trade, click the Launch App button, and then if you haven't done so already, sign into your wallet. Next, you'll want to go to Funded and make sure that you have the correct funded account selected. Then go up top to Funded and choose Current Journey Dashboard. Here it will tell you that your activity timer is expired. This is where you can withdraw your collateral. Well, I don't have any because I have 0 left. And top right, you'll be able to start the next level. So click the button, make sure that you again select and confirm any pop-ups in your wallet, and it'll take a little bit of time while it's preparing for your next level. I'll let the process play out right here, and this is basically it. This is how simple it is to start your next challenge. And there we go. Start journey level successful, and you are all ready